To dislodge the parallel hand grab with the butterfly sword, use a Yun Sao to a downward figure eight. Apply a cut, follow with a horizontal strike to the arm.
Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to be working a dislodge technique using the Wing Chun butterfly sword. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day. To dislodge the parallel hand grab with the butterfly sword, use a Yun Sao to a downward figure eight. Apply a cut, follow with a horizontal strike to the arm. To defend the cross-arm dislodge, Yun Sao to a half an upward figure eight, cut to the back of the arm, half downward figure eight, once again, cut to the arm. Using the Pak Sao for cross-arm dislodge, Pak the hand to dislodge the blade, thrust the body, cut down on the arm, follow up thrust to the throat. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.